Welcome back, stargazers. Tonight, our cosmic adventure continues as we delve deeper into the enchanting world of constellations. Let's discover 8 more celestial wonders. Our first constellation is Leo. Leo is depicted as a majestic lion, with its bright star Regulus marking its heart. Look for the distinctive backward question mark shape, known as the sickle. It's as bold as a king of the jungle. Next up is Taurus. Taurus. Taurus represents the bull, and its most prominent feature is the V-shaped star cluster known as the Hyades. Look for the red giant star Aldebaran, which marks the bull's eye. It's as strong as a mighty beast. Moving along to Scorpius. Scorpius. Scorpius is shaped like a scorpion and features the bright red star Antares, known as the heart of the scorpion. Look for its curved tail and distinctive stinger. It's as mysterious as a nocturnal predator.